We go to the village and wooden flame cooked turnip and potato. Take a 1 cup oil, 3 medium-sized onion, 2 green chilies, add it and fry translucent golden. When onion is golden, add it 4 potatoes and 500 gram turnip. Mix it and fry 10 to 15 minutes. After frying, add 4 tomatoes, one kg chicken and 500 gram tomato. Add it and mix it, fry it. Add seasonings, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, turnip powder 1 teaspoon, salt 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, curry powder 1 tablespoon. Mix it and fry it. After frying, prepare the masala and tomato soft. Change the color, wash chicken and prepare masala completely. Take out ginger garlic paste, add it and fry it. Cook and simmer 10 to 15 minutes and stir all ingredients. Take out the oil. After prepare masala, add in water 3 cup. Cook and simmer 20 minutes. All ingredients are cooked well. Make a gravy as required. Take out the bowl. Ready to serve. Serve in hot chapatis and naan. Enjoy it. Yummy recipe.